Okay, so the heater's stopped working, not because it's malfunctioned, because it's run out of diesel. It's been running for 21 hours and that cost me £6 for the gallon, which I'm pleased at, really, for 21 hours. I mean, I'll be using the garage sort of 2 hours at a time. I won't be in here that long, so that's perfect for me. So I get quite a bit of use out of it. It done the job. It kept the garage around about 20, 21, 22 sometimes. Dropped down to 18 now because it turned off, but it proved it worked, and I'm happy with it. So next job is to clear out the garage and reinstall this in a better position. But yeah, all good, well pleased.